5 easiest online side hustles in 2025. Anyone can start today. Want to make real money online in 2025 without needing big skills or startup cash? Today, I'll share 5 of the easiest side hustles that anyone can start right now, even from home. Stick around until the end because number 5 could be your best bet to earn while you sleep. AI tools are making content creation easier than ever. With platforms like ChatGPT and Pika Labs, you can create YouTube videos, TikToks, or blog posts in minutes, no need to show your face. Many creators are already earning ad revenue and sponsorships using this method. Design once, get paid forever. Platforms like Canva Creators and Etsy let you upload templates for resumes, planners, or social media posts. People are buying them daily, and it's a simple way to turn creativity into passive income. With print on demand, you don't need stock or storage. Just upload a design to sites like Redbubble or Teespring, and your art gets printed on t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Every sale puts money directly into your pocket. If you know a subject, even English, photography, or coding, you can teach it online. Websites like Preply and Cambly connect you with global students, and you can choose your own hours. Some tutors earn hundreds of dollars per week. Affiliate marketing is one of the most powerful ways to earn while you sleep. You promote products you already use and trust, and when people buy through your link, you earn a commission. Amazon Associates, Digistore24, and Impact are great places to start. And there you have it. 5 of the easiest online side hustles for 2025 that anyone can try today. Which one do you want to start with first? Let me know in the comments, and I'll share some tips to help you get started. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss new ways to earn online. Kindly subscribe. On this channel, I'll be teaching you more ways to make money online. 5 easiest online side hustles in 2025. Start today, build your tomorrow.